Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, I'll be showing you how I Falscara. If you can mascara, you can Falscara. So I'll be using this Bond and Seal um, appliance or application, which and then my tweezers. You'll need some tweezers as well. So first, I'm going to bond my lashes. So I'm using the side that says bond. So this has two sides, bond and seal. So first I'm using the bond side, and then I'm gonna take some of the long lashes. So there's three lengths: small, medium, large. So I'm gonna take the long and apply them on the outer side of my eyelash. So I applied one long, one medium, and one small. So that way my eyelash could look like even out and not like too big or voluminous, and this way you can wear this every day. This lasts about, I believe, 3 days with the bond and seal appliance. So I recommend, if you like lashes but you don't want something too voluminous for a day-to-day look, to definitely get you some Falscara. So here you can see I'm applying the long lash on the outer corner of my eyes. Sometimes it's very simple to apply. Sometimes you might have to try again. So yeah, I'm taking the long one with my tweezers and then pressing that into my eyelash. Yeah, so just do this as many times as you want to make sure that the lash is actually stick to your lash, the false lashes stick to your lash. Um, but it's super quick, super easy, so you definitely can stock up on these for day-to-day look. So now taking some of the medium and then applying that on the middle section of my eyelash. So as you can see, this one wasn't too difficult. I just take my tweezer and I put it into my eyelash. Press that into my eyelash. Now I'm taking one of the small lash and then putting that on the inner corners of my eyelash. And there, that's my lash application. Yeah, just make sure you press them into your real lash so that way it's not falling off. Now lastly, I'm going to seal these. So the small one came off, so I'm just reapplying it. So again, you might want to make sure you press that into your real lash because you don't want it to be falling off. Now, like I said, I'm taking the seal to make sure that it's sealed and won't be coming off. So yeah, that's my first set of lashes. I'm gonna go off camera and do the next lash. And here, this is the final look, guys.